everything you need to know for the US election coming right up, friends. Of course, it's going to be juicy for you. Right now, I'm just going to show you this Pumpity McPump. Shout out to BCB Blockchain Backer. Got these charts from him. They're nice and clean. I like using them. This is the long-term Bitcoin chart. You can see the vertical lines. These are the halvenings. And you can see, actually, not just the halvening, friends. These are actually the US elections. So, as you see, we just keep going up. I know it looks pretty like one-dimensional. Like, wait a minute. You're telling me we keep going up anyway? Yes, you see, the US economy, friends. Look, the economy has a money printer. The money printer prints 7% per year. Okay, now, if 7% of the entire US money, that liquidity is being sloshed around, that's a lot of market cap increase you can push into crypto, okay? Now, the crypto liquidity bucket, it's going to keep increasing as they keep printing. Eventually, though, we get so big that the leaking from the US money printer, the Fed's money printer, it's not going to make us go up so much. So right now, these enormous rates are here to stay. This was a 60% whatever rate, four-year rate. So if we do a 40% from today, basically, if we grow 40% per year for Bitcoin, which is conservative, kind of like expected, okay, it would put us at around $268,000. But it doesn't have to be this cycle. It just has to get there by 2028, the next halvening. And I think the next halvening is Feb 2028, Feb, March. So, yeah, technically, we only go 150K next year, and then we hit 250 in the next 4 years, okay? So these are all technicals, but you're hoping with maybe an Orange Man Good type of resurgence out there in society, and with an election win that he like sloshes the rates and things go well. Now, simultaneously on the end of the world, friends, this is real. Uncle Peter Schiff, I'm not even going to just say it. I'm just going to show it to you, okay? This is Uncle Peter Schiff. He's dancing on stage. It's real. It's real, friends. Uncle Peter Schiff. That's real. That's actually, he posted it to his Twitter. Uncle Peter Schiff. He's dancing on stage with Flo Rida. I didn't even know Flo Rida still made music. How did Uncle Peter Schiff end up in this club? This is crazy. This is crazy. Check his nostrils. No, I'm just joking. Of course. Let the poor guy go. Let him have fun for once. You know what I mean? Like, this is insane. Now, immediately, as soon as I saw this, I'm like, huh? I'm like, wait a minute. Oh, no. Gold's topped out. Look at the gold price. Look at the gold price, friends. This is the year. Look at this. If you look at the gold price, friends, I mean, like, let's put it even on a weekly. Bro, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You have gone absolutely... For gold, for a $16 trillion asset, you just grew 50%. So, if you want to know, in history... Oh, this is actually big, actually. Yes. So, friends, in history... Now, this is the full gold chart. Gold rallying, doom's coming. Doom's coming. It just... But it doesn't come tomorrow. It takes a while. Okay? On the charts, like, oh, big doom came. But if you go live it, bro, it takes like years to get there. However, we need to get a bull market first. So, but gold has done this big pump. Now, normally when gold's rallying, you don't get an expansion in the bull market. You don't have crypto and everything else going up to these new heights. Or not crypto, but I'm talking about the stonk market. So, could this be showing us that, because Uncle Peter Schiff is here, gold does this over the next year. Okay, it comes back down here, and everyone thinks it's like over. That could be it. And then that's the retest. And something happens here. By the way, this is... I perfectly timed this. Look at this. This 2025 crypto bull market, 2026 crypto bear market. Okay. So that's one possibility. But I mean, like, dude, can you believe... What are the... Look. How much? Friends, look, I love you. Okay. I love you. I'm here giving you the highest value alpha in crypto. It's not even close. We hit 4,000 videos. Okay. Literally, this is how much I respect you. I gave you 4,000 videos for free. And... I'm not stopping until our bag's pumped. Do you understand? I'll give you 4,000 more. How long have I been talking to you about contrarian stuff? How long have I been talking to you about getting on stage, dancing, and celebrating? How long have I been talking? Like, as long as you've known me, I've been speaking about that since day one. Okay. What are the chances Uncle Peter Schiff goes on stage with Flow Rider. Like, I'm just... Flow Rider? Uncle Peter Schiff. My gosh. He'll be waiting in the line in the bathroom all night. How many times you got to go to the bathroom, Uncle Petey? This is real, friends. This is real. It's posted by him. It's actually... I thought... Is AI getting good? No. It's posted by him. Uncle Peter Schiff Euphoria. Dude, man, this is going to be wild. So... Like, I've got a sparkle in my eye. Like, who would have thought Uncle Peter Schiff is literally going to go on stage with Flow Rider and usher in the top signal for gold? Now, of course, it hasn't topped out, could keep going, etc. We're having fun. But maybe, friends, maybe this occurs for crypto too. Remember, at the very, very bottom, Davey Soy Hoffman, hopeless. Okay, crying, no hope. Davey Soy Hoffman at the very, very bottom. Okay, remember when we were going down here, people said crypto has no bottom. The prices are going negative. Okay, maybe the exact polar opposite in the universe. When we're up here, people are literally excited with so much euphoria, and maybe people are saying, "Hey, crypto can't go down. It can never go down. It's actually going to infinity." Okay, friends, can you imagine? Like, if it's... Okay, fast forward 13 months from now. If it's December 2025, all right, and Joe Rogan brings on somebody to his podcast. Like, remember he brought the negative prices Bitcoin guy? Just to remind you. He brought on that negative prices Bitcoin guy here, okay? And then we literally just started going up, okay? Literally, negative prices, okay, we just started going up. Well, what if he brings somebody on his show and the guy talks about, you know what? Crypto's actually got infinite prices of the upside. Can you imagine? Literally, I'm like, dude, just click. Don't even ask me. Just click sell. Just get out. Just get out. We'll just probably start going there. That'd be hilarious. Oh, man. It's just funny how this universe works. Fractals and mirrors. Now, if you're curious, friends, like I am, you want some Pumpy G music. This is the others chart. If you look in, the bottom chart is others, and the top one is just like a Bitcoin fractal. But BCB, like, is really good with like these fractals and stuff. It's just showing you that this poopy part we're in now, okay, they are very, very similar. So basically, the prices, they're not actually capitulating, but our feelings are. And this is climbing the wall of worry. You understand that? Before you finally go up, okay? Now, if you're on the sidelines, you're new to crypto, you're like saying, well, I don't believe this because how can somebody just predict prices go up? Remember, that's an index. What I just showed you, that's all the coins, okay? Because some coins are going to go 50x in the next rally. Some coins are only going to go 2. You just don't know. That's why we're all placing our bets and we're all allocated into what we think are like viable long-term, like memes, culture, and religions, which is actually very contrarian compared to the mainstream crypto. Remember, memes, culture, and religions, friends. Daily reminder, Hex is a better Bitcoin. Daily reminder, Pulse Chain has no estrogen on the chain. None. No estrogen, no soy. Okay? I don't have to remind you. You know it. You already know it. And as we await that US election, by the way, friends, like, I ain't a political dude, but I'm bag biased, and I want your bags to pump. Just put the orange man good in. Just put him in. Just put him in. Just see what happens. Just see what happens. See how low he cuts the taxes. Let's just see what happens, friends. I don't want to go through this whole... Friends, do you really want to wake up to another Adam Cochran thread? 212 thread pages about like, hey, I know they're banning crypto, but here's why it's actually bullish. No, bro, I don't want to sit through that, man. 4 years, come on. Now, stock market is actually smarter than that. This is, friends, every single time there's a US election, it just starts pumping after. Because they got to do the sweetness. They got to do the sweetener deal, you know? They got to get it to the Wall Street, guys. Now, after this US election, okay, it's pretty much game on. But Adzi asked me a question. Adzi, actually, very good question, sir. He asked me, what price is Bitcoin touching to give us a bear market? What is that price? And it's actually $52,000. It's from my weekly super trend. So it's this green line. It's that green line, friends. You can see it, this green line. Yeah, the price is exactly here. It's got to close under $52,000. So there it is, 52K. So yeah, I know it doesn't feel like it, but anything above it is a bull market. But I just want to show you, this is, friends, let me tell you something, man. This is exactly 4 years ago, dude. It was literally, we were right here. We were right here. No one knew what the hell was going on. Okay. No one, you see, this was the interesting part. Bitcoin started pumping in October into the US election stuff. That's interesting. It started pumping early, but it might just be because the narrative of Gayscale. So Gayscale, they went on TV, friends. They said sell Bitcoin, no, sell gold, buy Bitcoin. And you also had like, you know, the Mooch, Scaramucci. They're all coming out. They were turbo shilling alongside Michael Saylor. So they ignited some FOMO because of all the money printing, I guess. We just ran early for whatever reason. Okay, but this one we're not running early. It would have been nice if like we were at 90K, but you know, that's what it is. We take whatever you can get. And yes, most people would like to know the question no one has the answer to. No one. What coin's gonna pump the most? No one knows, okay? It's chaotic randomness. Everything's pretty much set. It's like everybody going to vote the election. They've already made up their mind. All I can just tell you now is, please, for the love of God, okay? I'm not going to tell you what coin to buy, okay? I don't give financial advice. Please just have some meme coin allocation, please. Because hence, the meme coin, you don't understand how impossibly difficult it is for the meme coin dominance to do what it did this year. It went from 8%, which is already monstrously high for everyone, and then it went up to 13.8%, which is what it is now. It's just showing you the undertone of the market. They're bidding up meme coins while everything capitulates. Like, it just, I know, just don't look at the logic. You can watch all my videos. I told you, memes, cults, religions, the archetype. Everyone is looking for a spiritual connection and friendship and all this other stuff. We go through all my videos, hours of content. I'm just telling you, like, we just don't know. But you got to have some sort of meme coin allocation somewhere. You know, 90% call, 10% lottery. Go whatever, which ones float your boat. There's going to be random ones you probably like bink it and do really, really well. But just, yeah, just look. Also, if you're out there, friends, family, everyone else, man, I've got no time to teach everybody about how to use a MetaMask wallet and all these. But if you're just sitting out there, friends, if you have anything on a centralized exchange, okay? If you have any of like the DeFi coins, let's say you got a Bitcoin or Ethereum, you got a Chainlink, you got a Cardano. I know they're all low. Absolutely, they're going up, but just consider, like, it is possible for you to like trim off. You got everything there, just take up 10% and then just start buying memes, okay? But don't just do everything in one meme. Just go like here, do 0.5% in like 20 memes, you know? Remember, if you're in Pulse Chain, you're in a blue ocean area, you know, you can even buy some PDI if you want, not financial advice. Just telling you that, just start allocating there, because what we've noticed more and more evident is that being on a centralized exchange, just the tokens are cursed, man. The tokens are there's just too many insiders. There's not enough product market fit. Exchanges used to be hailed as like the great leader of these. They're not really now. Exchanges are like, that's where the losers are now, because there's not enough money coming in. Everyone has to come on chain. Okay, so you know what to do now, friends. Make sure you like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.